Welcome to Lesson 1 in the ForexBlade University. I'll be going over why you should trade Forex and some of the perks. You can trade anywhere where there is an internet connection and a phone. There are no commissions, no clearing fees, no exchange fees, no government fees, and no brokerage fees. Most retail brokers are confiscated for their services through something called the bid and ask spread. There are no fixed lot size. In the futures market, lot or contract sizes are determined by the exchanges. A standard size contract for silver futures is 5,000 ounces. In spot Forex, you determine your own lot or position size. This allows traders to participate with accounts as small as $20. The market is open 24 hours. There's no waiting for the opening bell. This is awesome for those who want to trade on a part-time basis because you can choose when to trade. Because the Forex market is so big, it is also extremely liquid. This is an advantage because it means that under normal market conditions, with a click of a mouse, you can instantly buy and sell at will, as there will usually be someone in the market willing to take the other side of your trade. There are free stuff everywhere. Most online Forex brokers offer a demo account, which is an account with quote-unquote play money before opening up a live account and risking real money.